Good morning. I am Harshit, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Google Pixel 9 series to launch on 13th August. Google Maps rolling out new interface with sheet-based design for Android users. Apple approves first PC emulator for iOS. Google is reportedly planning its biggest startup acquisition ever. WhatsApp begins rolling out new calling screen interface for iPhone users. OpenAI's secret weapon, new AI reasoning technology under code name Strawberry. 1 year anniversary of Chandrayaan 3 mission launch and more. Google is set to unveil the Pixel 9 series smartphones at the Made by Google event on 13th August. The Pixel 9 series will include four models: Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The standard model is priced at €899 for the 128GB storage variant in Europe. The Pixel 9 series will feature a major design overhaul with a flat frame design and a floating island style camera module. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro will have displays of the same size, while the XL model will feature a large screen. The series will include the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a book-style foldable smartphone integrated into the flagship number series. The new Pixel smartphone will introduce three exclusive AI features, including an Add Me feature, a new Studio app for AI image generation and editing, and a Pixel Screenshots feature offering a concise timeline of user screenshots. The Pixel 9 series is expected to bring significant improvements in design, functionality, and AI integration, continuing Google's tradition of innovation in the smartphone market. Next up, we have Google Maps is introducing a new sheet-based interface for Android users. This design ensures that the map view remains accessible at all times, replacing the traditional full-screen menus. The new interface is being rolled out globally and features softer, more rounded corners and a greater emphasis on the background layer, showcasing the map more prominently. The revamp aims to maintain context while navigating, providing a sleeker and more lightweight appearance. The interface is designed to simplify interaction and enhance the clarity of information hierarchy. Apple has approved UTM SE, the first official PC emulator for iOS, allowing users to run various versions of Windows, including Windows XP, as well as selected Linux and Mac OS versions. The approval came after the app was initially rejected by Apple in June. The developer initially considered not pursuing further attempts due to a subpar experience. UTM SE is now available on iPhones, iPads, and Apple Vision Pro headsets. It is free on the iOS and Vision OS App Store with a planned release on AltStore PAL. UTM credited the AltStore team for their assistance and acknowledged another developer whose QEMU TCTI implementation was crucial for this JIT-less build. Next, Google is considering a landmark acquisition worth $23 billion to buy Wiz, a cloud cybersecurity startup partnered with major companies like Amazon and Oracle. If completed, this deal would be nearly double the $12.5 billion Google paid for Motorola Mobility in 2012, marking the largest acquisitions in Google's history. Wiz specializes in Celluloid security tools and scanners for enterprises cloud security. It secures corporate cloud infrastructure by creating a normalizing layer between different cloud environments, allowing businesses to quickly identify and mitigate critical risks. The acquisition appears to be a strategic move against Microsoft, which has recently faced several high profile security breaches. WhatsApp is introducing a new call screen interface for iPhone users, featuring a bottom calling bar. The update is part of WhatsApp's continuous efforts to improve user experience, following a similar update for Android users in version 2.24.12.14, which included a bottom calling bar, larger profile photos, and a more contemporary design. The new interface aligns with previous changes and introduces a semi-transparent background for better button visibility and an improved bottom bar. Not all users will see the new feature immediately as updates often roll out gradually. Users are encouraged to keep their app updated through the App Store and Test Flight app. Next up, we have OpenAI is working on a secretive AI project called Strawberry, designed to enhance AI reasoning capabilities significantly, potentially leading to breakthroughs in autonomous research and problem solving. Strawberry involves a novel approach to training and processing AI models, enabling them to perform tasks that have eluded existing systems. Unlike current models, Strawberry aims to equip AI with the ability to plan ahead and conduct deep research autonomously on the internet. Achieving human level AI reasoning is a central focus across the industry, with companies like Google, Meta, and Microsoft exploring various techniques. Experts believe that breakthroughs in AI reasoning could drive scientific discoveries, develop complex software, and tackle challenges requiring human intuition and planning. At last, on 14 July 2023, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO launched the Chandrayaan-3 mission, which successfully made a soft landing on the lunar south pole, marking India as the first country to achieve this feat. The rover landed on the moon on 23rd August 2023 and operated for 14 days, completing its designed mission duration. This success contrasted with the Chandrayaan 2 mission, which faced last minute failure during the soft landing attempt. The success of Chandrayaan 3 brought praise and recognition to ISRO and India, enhancing the country's stature in the global space community. The mission overcame significant challenges, including the low temperatures on the moon's surface, which dropped to minus 150 degrees Celsius at night. The rover was designed to withstand these conditions and function during the lunar day. This is Harshit Mathur signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.